ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak orange Nissan looms hope ho near fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala play nakbentaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Yaka music video bala ai kerteng My Life. Yaka balar wai da utom walk ha rengkat ke jingye shimbentalang da utaila king but udi flow. On sa Paidbah no ha ka arpo hunyo Tarik Nohprah arjar arpo ha ka YouTube channel yaka bala ai kerteng United Crew. Kinong ye shimbenta ha ka music video kilong Brian Prince, utom walk, ka Joanna, utaila king, ka Judis Imle, udi flow ban ukirti lingdo.
Hey, kumbo filong bro, mga daman pang simple, baka kating ride yung kalong deep flow, and minsan pala yung kanigit yung ride my life, mentao panay, yung baka YouTube channel yung don't walk, but last yung mentalang ha kanigit yung ride, along i Tyler King, but don't walk, kan kanigit yung ride yung eat, hindi tangi fee, but bro, kinakapit yung kanigit video, and akor pa fee sale, niya bet lang, panikirsiyan lang ini, and sumpah you subscribe to the channel and link sa isay ay tahi Paidbah kulo shibon ipay kirsiyan
Kublay pisa bro nga di taliking ibaroy kani kajing roy thamai ka mi menta kapakarteng My Life featuring D-Flow and Tom Walk and nga di hero i-producer jong kani kajing roy te smoba ban pedlami kani ka video te ban kirsiyan lam ini kublay shibon kublay kuifi.
So hello guys, this is Tom Walk. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm on this 27 nimod ban release ka January bala kerteng My Life bala roy mga D-Flow and Tyler King. So I hope you guys will enjoy the song. Please share up subscribe them, then like, share of course, and then like kanong successful bit, and I hope you guys will really love it. Dan ya kidon kipalog jong nga balay jan ha balay rap siya nga bangan po siya kanang feel of singing. Number 1 day Nepzone, thank you so much brother. Number 2 day Tyler King himself, thank you so much bro. And number 3 one of my closest person Banda Shisha, thank you so much. And I would love ban ong ba please do subscribe, share, like because ni mo release sa YouTube channel. Kumbala kapten United Crew, so I hope you guys will really love it, like nasubojing kermen sa neta. Then I'll see you guys there on 27. Come on.